Kids spend 5 to 7 hours in front of screens every day. ROX is here to change that. We bring gaming action off screen and into real life. Imagine playing Mario Brothers in the backyard.
Hi guys, my name is Killian, and with your help we get kids away from screens and make them run and play around in real life again. To get kids active, we have to engage and entertain them in the same way as video games do. And that's where our ROX come to play. ROX are wirelessly connected to super durable high-tech bots. Each ROX has several smart sensors inside and comes with different light and sound effects. There are different game categories: tap and go games as the Crazy Chicken, a target throw, memory games, group games and different kind of tag games. Zombie Tag, for example, is the game that kids love the most. Everybody straps on a ROX and one of the ROX will start to make a sound like a zombie. This kid then has to chase the other kids, and when tagging somebody, he or she will also become a zombie. Goal is to turn everybody into a zombie. In our testings with more than 250 kids, we have found that no game has to be the same. Kids come up with new crazy ways to play all the time. Unlike many other crowdfunding projects, we integrated the manufacturing perspective right from the very beginning of the development process. Our interdisciplinary team of industrial designers, engineers and manufacturing professionals has more than 50 years of combined working experience in product development and bringing products to market. We spent the last 2 years plus all our savings to bring ROX to life. Now the development is finished, molds, hard and software are ready, and the manufacturer, with whom we work already for many years, is only waiting to get the go-ahead to start producing. The only thing we still need is your help to get the first batch of ROX produced. So please support us and help us to get ROX in the hands of as many children as possible. Get one for yourself, your family, your local school, or any little one that's close to your heart. It's 2016. Video games are a part of children's lives, but too much is too much. Let's get kids away from the screens and bring the gaming to real life.